Yeah, that looks way better. Welcome back, guys. We are back in the truck doing something for Project E92 M3. So I had the front end taken off, sent it to our buddy Ryan over at Impact Pros to respray it because it was pretty ugly. The fenders were cracked, the whole bumper was messed up, chipped, clear coat failure, the whole thing. So we took it to our buddy, got it done the right way. So we're gonna go pick those parts up. We had a bunch of little goodies come for the car: magnetic paddle shifters, dynon intake, some carbon fiber little aero pieces. We swapped out the headlight lenses, which was a first for us, and it came out pretty mint. So cool little stuff. The car definitely is like night and day after the interior detail. Now with this, it's gonna be pretty perfect. It'll probably satisfy my appetite for some, further modifications. So stay tuned, guys.
Just so it breaks it even more?
So general feedback, having the car for like a week before taking it apart and not driving it for 2 weeks, I gotta say, I understand why so many people like that platform. It is weird revving it out that high. I mean, I haven't really been in a modern car that rev that high. I know that sounds like an elementary explanation of it, but I mean, growing up I had Hondas, so I was used to that, like the high revving four bangers. But this is definitely a little different. It doesn't, you definitely miss that low end torque, like coming from an E63S, F82 M4. You definitely miss that, but you feel like you got to be on the car more, which is fun. And honestly, I really don't think it's that slow. Like everyone's like, oh, E92 is so slow. Listen, everything now is fast. And the standards and new expectations for what's fast has gone insane. But I think for what it is, it's a great platform. It's as fast as you need it to be. It feels amazing. Steering feedback is really good. Obviously, we'll get a better idea when we're at the track and pushing it on the limits, not really on the street. And that's really it. I mean, I'm pretty happy so far. I just got to make it look nice, and we're getting that done now. So, okay, we are with the man, the myth, the legend, Ryan, aka Jesus at Impact Pros. He resprayed my front bumper, deleted the side markers to make it like a Euro spec bumper, and then fixed my fenders. On the E92s, it's a common issue when the car's lowered. The fenders are actually made of polycarbonate, so they crack on like steep bumps. So he plastic welded them, fixed the tabs, fixed everything. They look brand new. This guy's the best ever, so let's check it out. It's good. So here's the front bumper. Before, I'm sure Dale could overlay it with the clear coat failure, paint chips, this, that. It was destroyed. This looks like a brand new bumper, and honestly, it was way more cost effective than ordering all these new parts. Ryan always takes care of us. We do all our work with him. Anything body shop related, he is the guy. And wow, I'm honestly taken back. I was not expecting it to come out this good. Not that I didn't think he was gonna do a good job, but it was just so bad before that I didn't think it could be saved. So, super excited. Let's get a little feedback from the man himself.
Cheaper than buying a new bumper, but we had to strip it completely down.
Yeah.
Right down back to the bare plastic. Epoxy primer, wet sanded all flat.
Yeah, and you deleted these too.
Yep.
The side markers.
Yep.
Looks so good. Looks amazing. Like a brand new Euro spec bumper was like, I want to say after shipping and everything was like $1,200, which was unpainted. So this was definitely the way to go. I mean, it saved a ton of money and it looks mint. And it's perfectly paint matched because my car's older, so obviously it's not going to look like brand new Alpine white. So they did an awesome job. It looks sick.
Yeah, man. Glad to help.
This fender was literally cracked from here up to here. And like, you can't even tell. This honestly came out so good. Damn.
Dude, this is gonna...
It's gonna look like a new car. He even fixed these tabs under here. These all broke off. He fucking welded these. They look so much better. Wow.
Yeah, for all those people that thought Joe was gonna go carbon fiber fenders, well, you thought wrong. Joe's not going carbon fibre.
No, I'm almost 30. OEM Plus, guys.
Am I getting this on film? Your zip ties?
Yep.
Look at that shit.
Fucking mint. Why would I waste $100? You get a fucking zip tie. Perfect.
You love being the zip tie king, huh?
Yep, race car. Coochie light. Alright. Because one side came out as one piece, one side came out as two pieces.
Yo, this is your favorite part of the day. Putting Joe's car back together.
I'm supposed to be home right now, like. I wasn't even supposed to work today.
But you offered to come in.
Nah, we in though, we in. At Lux Auto Detailing, we do indentured servitude.
wait, grab the camera.
Actually, we just have such a strong team that loves each other that we're willing to help each other out whenever we're available. Pull up no matter what.
Oh yeah? Yeah. Oh, it's Christmas! Look, Joe, you're opening up a new present. Oh my God, just what you wanted, a brand new bumper. Ruben, I need you to act like...
Dale, not right now, come on.
I need you to act like
Dale,
energetic
shut
today.
the fuck up.
You told me to shut up. No, fuck you.
you.
No, fuck you, bro.
Alright, fuck you.
See? You could have done it yourself. But no, you had to ask me.
And I will do.
I'm trying to film here.
Alright, full front end refresh, old grill, new grill. Look at that difference. That's the slogan for this build. Like it's 2011 again. Wow. Dude, so much better than when we picked it up. Oh my God. I actually feel bad driving it home.
What the fuck is that? Yo, back up. Oh, look who's back. We got, what are we doing, Joe? What are we doing? After Ruben did your brake thing, whatever you want to call it, what do we, I see you have a headlight out.
We are gonna change the lenses out.
Why is your cock throbbing on the back of my back? Changing the lens?
Changing the lens, yes.
Joe, you're making pretty good progress on this car, I do really feel.
I know, no more hoopty, bro. It's gonna be collector spec. All right, we got the lens off.
Cleaning the headlight housing.
Now we're gonna clean the headlight housing, scrape all this butyl out, and we'll reapply it. The new lens on it, we should be good to go. There's the old lens, pretty yellow.
Yeah, it's about the same, yeah, there you go.
It's the new lens.
Look at that, wait. Yeah, look at that, yellowing, clear. Damn, Joe, you're gonna be able to see it at night again.
Nice. Like it's 2011 again.
Damn, Joe, it's like you're unwrapping a new gift on Christmas.
Don't unwrap the whole shit first.
No, just
Yeah. Pick up the lens.
what? I guess these were pretty fucking decked, huh?
Damn, Joe. Brand new headlight. Done in 20 minutes.
Hold on 1 second, we're not in the clear yet.
Uh-oh. You're holding it like a baby. Your child.
It is the baby.
It is the baby.
It'll be a $2,000 mistake if I fuck this up.
I know, but we're gonna.
Look at that. Look at that. Damn, Joe.
Fucking mint! Like it's 2011. Very nice.
Great success.
Wait, let me see it. Look at that. You can tell a difference. Brand new. Next to being brand new. Oh yeah, you can tell a difference. Oh yeah.
Let me get this first peek. Ooh. Yeah, that looks way better. Way better.
She's coming along very nicely.
Coming along. She's coming along quickly.
Yeah. Nice and quick. Damn, what are you doing? Why you doing a FDF angle kit on this thing now? You making a full drift spec, no fender lining? You going carbon fiber fenders? Hell yeah, Joe! You got a surprise? You got a what?
We got a surprise color from Nosatech Dynamic PPF coming, and it should look pretty good.
Can't wait for that.
I can't wait either. Sheesh! Sheesh!
Damn.
Like a damn near new car.